Ladies and gentlemen, the Universal Declaration was an outcome of a human rights movement prompted by the Second World War. In India, meanwhile, it was the colonial rule that had prompted the demand for basic rights much earlier in our freedom struggle. It was way back in 1895 that the Swaraj Bill articulated human rights or fundamental rights in modern legal language as part of its vision of a constitution for India. The notion gained traction with masses after 1931, when the Indian National Congress passed a resolution specifically devoted to fundamental rights. While this Karachi session of the Congress was chaired by Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, the resolution on fundamental rights and economic changes was drafted with key suggestions from Mahatma Gandhi. The resolution noted that any constitution of India should provide fundamental rights of the people, including freedom of speech and religion. 2 months later, Gandhiji said that the resolution on fundamental rights was the most important resolution, and it showed what kind of Swaraj he wanted to achieve. Further, the father of the nation noted, and I quote, that Swaraj is the poor man's Swaraj, or Ram Rajya. Rama symbolized justice and equity. Rama symbolized truth and charity, unquote. These ideals also inspired the framers of the Constitution. Moreover, the subcommittee on fundamental rights was headed by Sardar Patel.